This bar chart gives information about market share of sneaker brands. From the picture we can see in Puma, the value is 15%. In Adidas, the percentage is higher, which is 25%. The highest proportion is in Nike, around 35%. And the lowest one is in Under Armour, just 10%. There are many other brands, such as Reebok. To sum up, the graph tells about market share of sneaker brands. This line chart gives information about annual green energy production growth. From the picture, we can see in 2009 the value is 3. In 2010 the number is higher, which is 3.1. The highest point is in 2015, around 5. And the lowest point is in 2005, just 1.5. There are many other years from 2005 to 2015. To sum up, the graph tells about annual green energy production. This pie chart gives information about APP feature usage frequency distribution. From the picture, we can see the share of video streaming is 20%. For social media, the percentage is higher, which is 25%. The highest value is for messaging, around 30%, and the lowest one is for online shopping, just 10%. To sum up, the graph tells about APP feature usage. This pie chart gives information about TV program types' viewership distribution. From the picture, we can see the value of sports is 15%. For comedy, the percentage is higher, which is 20%. The highest proportion is for drama, around 30%, and the lowest one is for documentary, just 10%. To sum up, the graph tells about TV program types. This line chart gives information about educational resource distribution. From the picture, we can see the value in teaching quality is 30%. In library resources, the percentage is higher, which is 60%. The highest proportion is in arts investment, around 100%, and the lowest one is in technology equipment, just 38%. To sum up, the graph tells about educational resource. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for more videos.